Hello everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and today is part one of my Boujie yarn. I am going to be doing 6 videos because I've got 6 of these cubes. There's 2 reasons why I'm doing this. One is that lots of my lovely yarny friends have wanted to see my Boujie yarn, and which is hand-dyed yarn, guys. If for those, and the second reason is so that I can get them all on my app, which is called the Yarn Store. It's a paid for app, and it just helps me then keep a record of the yarn that I've got. Plus I'm going to be storing them all in these organza bags, because as we know, guys, our Boujie yarn is not cheap. And so yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is, this is the only video that you'll actually see my face, because this is the introduction video. I did want to do shorts, but I've got that much, to be honest guys, I've got that much yarn that I didn't want to, I wanted to give the yarn the justice they deserved. Also in the description box below are all the yarn dyers or the company that I've purchased the yarn from, so please do check them out. They work very hard to produce these amazing yarns, the colours, the mixture of silk and bamboo, or there's merino in your nylon, you know, so it's a shout out for all the yarn dyers too. So I'm really killing not 2 birds with 1 stone, but three birds with 1 stone. So I hope you enjoy the videos. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, like and share with your friends, and shall we get started? And I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm blown away by the number of people that are starting to join my family, so welcome to each and every one of you. And of course, not forgetting my long-standing subscribers. Thank you guys, thank you for all your thumbs up, your comments, for always being here. So let's make a start on part 1, and I hope you enjoy this series, guys, and let's get to it. Okay, so in the first cube we've got lovely Malabrigos, all the lovely different colours of Malabrigo, which are superwash merino, and all the different colours. Just love them, really nice, and the oranges and the nice other colours. We've got sock yarn. Ooh, I've got 2 of each of those. They'll make a nice shawl, won't they, guys? Then I've got this socks, yay, which will make really nice socks for Rick. Got different colours of those, and these are all superwash merino. Then we've got this lovely Rose Hill yarns, beautiful. It's tropic like it's hot, and I think I got this from the Grocery Girls if I'm not mistaken. And again, superwash merino with nylon in, lovely colours, and the colours are in the fibres. Another nice sock pair. This is from Paul Pie. And then Ducky Darlings. Ducky Darlings, I've got an assortment of lovely Ducky Darlings. Now, Ducky Darlings is a UK company, and again, superwash merino and nylon. Then I've got 3 skeins from Alex and Danny's yarn, which is superwash merino and nylon, all beautiful colours, really nice. So don't forget, guys, all the links are in the description box below. Sock set from Lolo Did It, really nice colour. This is called Bravery and Moraine. And then we've got Travel Knitter, which is an East London dyer. We've got the chromatic yarns by the Corner of Craft, again a UK company, Blueface Leicester and nylon. Yarnable, which is hypnotic yarns, really nice colours. They'll make a nice Christmas sock, and that's nice and bright too. And then of course we've got Ducky Darlings, again more of Ducky Darlings sock yarn. I've got some alpaca silk and Surrey alpaca silk from them to add, and Mother's Day. This is the Mother's Day sock kit, and I'm going to be making a pair of socks for my sister and I from this. Again, these are all, the majority of these are all UK companies, and I do hope you take the time to check out the description box below. All nice, super squishy yarns. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back for part 2.